next question or next doubt. What constitutes seed? This one line is enough. I can finish. I can speak till Shivratri. I can speak till Shivratri. Because this is the ultimate doubt. This is the ultimate doubt. She asks, Devi asks, what constitutes seed? All of you know you are Atman. Atman is your true nature. You are the ultimate energy. Whether you believe it or not, accept it or not, realize it or not, you are God. All of you know that. You have memorized it. Because again and again I repeat. But you know one more thing. You suffer. You have body, you have mind, you suffer. How and why when the Atman becomes body mind? Atman became body mind. How, when, why the Atman became body mind? How? When? Come out with answers. When you choose, why did you choose? Why did memories and desires come? Because they say Atman itself is energy and enjoyment, bliss. Why did that get some other desire?
That is a doubt existence already.
How? That's what I'm asking you. How?
Because of not experiencing.
Atman is experiencing. How? You see, how you became this person. But why choice? What choice?
Because of your karma.
How the karma started? How the previous birth started? How the Purusharma Vasana started? How the desire started?
With Maya.
How the Maya started? How the ignorance started?
Why did life start then, Swami?
But you are enlightened already. You were enlightened.
It's only a drama.
Swami, it goes back to when life started.
Why drama started?
He wanted it.
Who wanted?
God, Maya.
And you and Shiva is one and the same. Then how?
Swami, if he knew that,
How the illusion started? How the ignorance started?
Shiva is only playing like this.
Why Shiva is playing?
He wanted to amuse himself.
Swamiji, that is the
He wants to amuse himself. So if you are Atman, you have all possible amusements. Why do you want some more amusements? Means you are bored. Then how can you say you are Atman? How can you say you are bliss? Then again the state which you are going to reach, you need some more amusement. Better carry some of your amusement things.
Swamiji, it goes back to why is there even physical life then?
That is what? Why? That's what I am asking.
To understand the Atman.
Why should you understand? You are Atman. Why should you understand Atman?
To experience the Atman.
You were Atman earlier. Why should you experience?
Consciousness enters you.
Why consciousness enters into you? Consciousness is supposed to be all-pervading, omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent.
It goes back to why there is individual consciousness and super consciousness.
That is what? Why there is individual consciousness and super consciousness?
We are created.
Huh? Huh?
If we know the answer, why we are sitting here, sir?
Why I wanted to become? Question is why I wanted to become. And I was enjoying the bliss.
If it were to be no, there would have been no difference here.
Energy needs action.
Energy needs action. New theory. Please don't create new philosophies. The next generation will start cursing you because they have to read one more philosophy.
Forgot.
Hmm? What you forgot? You scrambled there also. How will you forget if you are Atman? How will you forget if you are Atman? So you are basically Atman. But now you have suffering of body and mind. How you became body-mind?
How can we enjoy the Atman? How
Even
can
background I'm just telling. As such, Atman has not become body mind. Atman even has Atman.
Then why do you have suffering of body-mind?
The body mind undergoes the suffering, not Atman.
Okay, why do you suffer if you are supposed to be Atman?
I'm not suffering. It's not I suffer.
Hmm.
It's the mind, body mind.
Alright, if you suffer, do you feel the suffering or not?
Yes, yes.
Do you feel it or not? Then how can you say I am not suffering?
Right now I'm not as I am. Right now I'm associated with the body mind.
And that is what, how did you get associated?
you broke the link?
How did you break the link? How did you break the link?
Desire.
How the desires erupted?
Choice.
God's will.
And we forgot to go back.
First of all, if you are Atman, how will you have other choice? How will you be able to choose something other than Atman? Because in Atman only one thing exists, that is Atman.
Just a superconscious play.
Superconscious play means what?
God is-
Superconscious is playing with whom?
With itself. Probably, that's
Huh?
With itself.
With itself. How will you play with yourself?
See, you have the capacity, the energy and consciousness is there, which creates so much variety.
So you say energy and consciousness is two different things.
No, they are together. I mean, you can't have separately. They're together, and they create when they're together. And I think.
How can they be together and not separate? The togetherness means there must be two.
Swami, it's like two sides of the same coin, Swami. Heads and tails is there.
But in kind there is a two side. In Atman there is no two side. It's only one, not even a side.
We
One.
are seeing it as two, for want of better word. Consciousness, energy are there, existing. Just existing like that is not great fun. It creates itself.
So you need some fun.
What will it do just lying like that, Swami?
Oh, you think that Atman means just lying like that?
Consciousness is there. Consciousness is there. What I'm saying is we're talking about right from the beginning, we're saying. We're not talking about
No,
now.
no, I am talking about the Big Bang black hole.
Okay.
Hmm.
It has to express itself, isn't it? Because it's so
It has to
full.
express means it is not fulfilled when it is there as it is. Am I right?
No, Swami, it is so full, it has to express itself. Otherwise, what? It is
When it
just
is
full.
so full, where else it will express? Where is the place for to express it?
So only you have to even answer. Why is universe created? Then.
That is what I am asking.
In itself, Swami,
Huh?
it has to express itself in itself, Swami, in
That's
different
why-
dimensions.
That's
To,
why
to
If
enjoy
there is a different
itself.
dimension means, then it means the lower dimension and higher dimension.
Level, Swami.
So there is higher level and lower level.
There is
Are two different levels.
No, Swami, there is that Atman. Let's say
Mhm.
it's the everything.
Like
It's
those.
all-
That is why you are showing. What size Atman? And then?
It's filled with potentiality, Swami, which is not yet expressed. In that same space, whatever, in its own space, it expresses itself in all variety and beauty, Swami.
See, how can, if it can express in some more variety and some more beauty, how
We didn't
can
say
that be
more,
called as
Swami.
Atman?
We didn't say more.
Hmm.
It is not even expressing.
Even if it is expressing in a different variety and different beauty, how can that be called as Atman? Because Atman is the ultimate fulfillment. Which is nothing more, nothing else to happen. An ultimate fulfillment. That's what is Atman.
We have not experienced
can't even try it.
The Atma thing, body and mind, I am the body and mind, combined mind. We have only got the knowledge now that I am the Atma, I am not the body and mind. But still we have not experienced that Atma as alone, without the body and mind. Still that experience has not yet come by you. What I believe I don't experience as alone without the body and mind.
So you know that now you are suffering with as body mind.
Yeah, suffering is-
And you are supposed to be Atman. Hmm? So how did you become body mind?
If I understand the Atma, I need something.
If you are Atman, you are self-understanding. Atma Deepo, Swayam Jyoti, Swayam Prakasa, Sutta Chaitanya.
But I was ignorant of it till the age of 54. Only now I understood I am the Atma.
You see, it means till the 54, you started thinking you are body mind. Now you know, even before the age of 54, you are only Atman. Hmm? How did that Atman become body mind?
Swamiji, theoretical
Listen here.
In science, energy is in a very high state
Mhm.
and dissipation of energy takes place by any means. Then the crystallization takes place. Like you can take a
That energy has got some place where it can dissipate
and dissipate.
or crystallize. But Atman has no gap,
It's a full energy,
full.
full energy.
Then where it will dissipate or where it will crystallize.
Or maybe it falls down in a potential level itself.
And if it is a potential level and actual level, then there are two levels. There must be two Atman.
Same Atman Swamiji, because it's not.
Same Atman. How can that have two levels?
It has got.
Then it is not Atman. Atman is supposed to be in the same.
But it has got intelligence.
Eternal.
Intelligence also.
No, intelligence, omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient, everything should be permanent.
What is causing it dissipate energy? That is what is not known.
That is what I am asking. What constitutes a seed?
The dynamics, the changes.
If there is a dynamic change, how can that be called as ultimate?
Swamiji, it's like the chicken or egg question. Will the chicken come first or the egg come first?
Egg only. From egg, never chicken comes. Oh, chicken only comes. From egg actually. No, you see, listen here. Actually, from chicken never egg comes. From hen only egg comes. I just missed the word. From hen only egg comes. Chicken, from egg, chicken comes. From chicken never egg comes. From hen only egg comes.
Swamiji, the question what constitutes seeds is ours. You have to give reply, not ask question. Unnecessarily asking the question, Swamiji.
It's a
You
question of
cannot ask
validation.
the question. It's a doubt.
All right. Anybody else has got any answer?
Doubt of validation.
Did Shiva do all this to her before giving an answer, Swami?
No, but she was already Devi. But I have to make you all Devi.
After becoming Devi, she asked this question, then what do we know, Swami? This is too much.
No, because she was Devi, she asked this question. But you guys try to give answers because you think you are Shiva. If you really felt that you are Devi, the moment I put this question, you would have said, no, we don't know, please answer. You should be very clear that you don't know.
We don't know.
We tried.
You tried.
No, Swami, because you asked. We don't know.
Even if I ask, you see, for example, a small thing. Now I ask you, in office, who are all sitting? You don't know. No. You don't know. But going and finding out is different. You should sit here and answer.
I don't know.
That is what you have told. Actually, I just wanted you to understand. This is the ultimate question which cannot be answered. This is the doubt which cannot be answered. Only experience can be given as a reply.